College Prep Online. We are currently starting the unit number 3 called The Collective Perspective. During this unit, you're going to be reading the play Pygmalion by George Bernard Shaw. I would like to give you an overview of the assessment that you will be responsible for completing by the end of the unit. This way, you will know what to focus on while you're reading the play. By understanding the assessment now, you'll be better prepared for the assessment at the end of the unit. As you know, the focus of this entire course is the idea of perspective, and the essay for this unit fits into that theme. During Unit 1, you expressed your own personal perspective while writing an argumentative research paper on a contemporary issue. During Unit 2, which is titled Perception is Everything, you learned about 2 different literary theories, reader response criticism and cultural criticism. During this current unit, you'll be learning about 3 new types of literary criticism: archetypal criticism, Marxist criticism, and feminist criticism. After learning about these 3 critical perspectives, and after reading the play Pygmalion, you will be asked to write an essay analyzing the play using one of the 3 new terms: archetypal, Marxist, or feminist critical perspective. So, let me give you a brief overview of the definitions of the 3 new terms for this unit. Using our word wall here, you can see that I have placed all 3 of the new terms on the Q section of our QHT chart. For the majority of students, these words are completely new to you. So probably you have never heard of them before, and you probably don't know them well enough to teach them to somebody else. But you do probably have a lot of questions about them, and that's why I put the words on the Q section of the QHT chart.
Archetypal criticism deals with the similarities of patterns in the literature of widely diverse cultures. For example, most cultures have stories that present a hero's journey. This would be an example of a recurring character type or an archetypal character. Characters, images, motifs, and story patterns can all be archetypes. Marxist criticism asserts that economics is the foundation for all social, political, and ideological reality. The presence of economic inequalities is a power structure that drives history and influences differences in religion, race, ethnicity, and gender. Feminist criticism focuses on relationships between genders. It examines the patterns of thought, behavior, values, enfranchisement, and power in relations between and within the sexes. For example, a feminist reading of a novel may take into account the idea of power relationships between the men and women of the novel.
This, of course, is just an overview of the definitions of archetypal, Marxist, and feminist critical perspectives. You will learn about these terms in more detail as you work your way through the course content of the unit. In order to prepare yourself for the essay, the entire time you are reading Pygmalion, you should be thinking about these 3 critical lenses. Take notes, write down quotes, and record page numbers of parts of the play that you think could be analyzed using these 3 criticisms. By the time you have finished reading the play, you should have many ideas and many possible quotes to use in your essay to support an analysis through each of these 3 lenses. You will then decide which of the 3 criticisms you want to use for your paper, devise a thesis statement, select quotes, and write your paper. Being thorough and diligent with your note-taking while reading will save you much time and energy when it comes time to write the paper. As always, if you have any questions or any concerns while you are reading the play or while you are completing the unit's content, please let me know. Remember, you should be taking lots of notes on archetypal criticism, Marxist criticism, and feminist criticism. Good luck reading, enjoy the play, and remember to analyze.